Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to streamline your sales process and close more deals, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm giving you a full 2025 guide on how to use HubSpot Sales, complete with a live demo feel so you can confidently manage leads, track deals, and stay on top of every opportunity. Let's dive straight in. Start by heading to HubSpot.com, your central hub for all things HubSpot. On the top right, click the Login button. Enter your credentials, and you'll land on your personalized HubSpot homepage. This is your command center where you'll manage tasks, monitor activities, and see everything sales related in one place. Next, let's check out Workspaces. Think of these as your team's digital office. Here you can organize tasks, set priorities, and collaborate with your team members. Whether you're sharing notes, assigning tasks, or planning a sales campaign, Workspaces keep everyone aligned and productive. Manage your leads. Now, click on Leads. This is where you'll see every potential customer you're currently engaging with. Keeping this section updated is key to avoiding missed opportunities. To add a new prospect, simply hit Create Lead and fill in their details, name, email, company, and any notes. You can also track past interactions, making follow-up seamless and personalized. Track your deals, moving on to Deals, which is truly the heart of HubSpot Sales. This is where you manage every negotiation and opportunity in your pipeline. Click Create Deal to add new deals and specify the stage, value, and expected close date. Use the Summary option for a quick snapshot of where things stand and what needs your attention. And don't forget the Schedule option to set reminders and follow-ups so momentum never slips. Stay updated with the feed. Finally, keep an eye on your feed. This is your real-time activity stream. It shows updates on leads, deals, emails, and tasks. Checking your feed regularly means you'll never miss a critical update or a chance to move a deal forward. And that's it. A complete 2025 guide to using HubSpot Sales to manage leads, track deals, and stay on top of your pipeline. If you found this demo helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step business tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're using HubSpot to supercharge your sales. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.